So you think ChatGPT is powerful enough? Well, wait until you see what Notion AI can do. Today, I'm going to break down the differences between ChatGPT and Notion AI so you'll know exactly which one makes more sense for your daily work. Let's start with what they have in common. Both ChatGPT and Notion AI are smart assistants that help you create and process text super fast. They can write content, summarize notes, translate, brainstorm ideas, and save you tons of time on repetitive tasks. In short, both tools are designed to boost your productivity without you having to work harder. Now here's where they start to differ. ChatGPT works as a standalone tool with its own interface. It's perfect if you just want to ask quick questions and get instant answers. On the other hand, Notion AI is built right into Notion. That means you can use AI directly inside your workspace, documents, and projects without switching apps. When it comes to actual performance, ChatGPT shines in giving broad knowledge, creative writing, and explaining complex concepts. Notion AI, meanwhile, is amazing for summarizing notes, rewriting text, generating to-do lists, managing projects, and keeping everything organized inside Notion. The user experience is also pretty different. ChatGPT is great for people who want flexibility and need help across many different areas. But if you're already using Notion for studying, work, or team collaboration, Notion AI makes everything flow seamlessly. Now let's talk pros and cons. ChatGPT's biggest strength is its wide knowledge base and strong creativity. You can use it for almost anything. The downside? It doesn't live inside your documents, so you often have to copy and paste stuff around. Notion AI, on the flip side, is super convenient because it's built into Notion. It's perfect for writing, note-taking, and project management. The trade-off is it's not as broad in knowledge as ChatGPT, and you'll need a Notion account to use it. So, here's the bottom line. If you want an all-purpose AI that can answer pretty much anything, go with ChatGPT. But if you're looking for an AI assistant that sticks with you in your daily workflow, helping you manage projects, organize information, and create content right inside your workspace, then Notion AI is the smarter choice. And here's the best part. I've dropped a link to Notion AI down in the description. Go check it out for yourself, and you'll be surprised at how much time it can actually save you.